Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to the class of English New Voices. In today's class, we will be doing the revision of lesson number 10, Pingu Pretends. So, let us start. The first question, select a correct option to frame meaningful sentences. Riya dash to be asleep. Is it intends or pretends? Riya dash to be asleep. Is it intends or pretends? Yes, pretends. Riya pretends to be asleep. Second one, peace can be kept dash for a long time. Peace can be kept dash for a long time. Is it frozen or dozen? Yes, frozen. Peace can be kept frozen for a long time. Next one. The dash on his head without hair was clearly visible. The dash on his head without hair was clearly visible. Is it batch or patch? Is it batch or patch? Yes, patch. The patch on his head without hair was clearly visible. Next one. Seema is expert in solving dash. Seema is expert in solving dash. Is it puzzles or right? Yes, puzzles. Seema is expert in solving puzzles. Seema is expert in solving puzzles. Okay. The next question, give antonyms of. Antonyms means opposites. First one, tired. Opposite of tired is? Yes, energetic. 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 Next, pretend. Opposite of pretend is? Yes, real. 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 Third one, delicious. Antonym of delicious is? Yes, tasteless. 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 Opposite of delicious is tasteless. Fourth one, cheer. Opposite of cheer is? Yes, boo. 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 Okay. When you cheer, you clap for them. Okay, and boo. Okay, if somebody does not perform well, you say boo. Okay, and if somebody is performing extremely well, you cheer for them. Okay, cheering, boo. Next, throwing. Throwing, yes, catching. 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 Safe. Safe. Yes, unsafe. 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 Okay. I repeat. Tired, energetic, pretend, real, delicious, tasteless, cheer, boo, throwing, catching, safe, unsafe. Okay. Now the next question. Give past tense of. Give past tense of. Offer. Past tense of offer is offered. 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 Past tense of begin is? Past tense of begin is? Yes, began. 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 Next, find. Past tense of find is? Yes, found. 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 Next, past tense of eat is? Yes, ate. Ate. Past tense of eat is ate. Next one, take. Past tense of take is? Yes, took. T-O-O-K, took. T-O-O-K, took. Sixth one, paddle. Yes, paddled. P-A-D-D-L-E-D, paddled. P-A-D-D-L-E-D, paddled. Okay, I repeat. Offer, offered. Begin, began. Find, found. Eat, ate. Take, took. Paddle, paddled. Okay. The next one, answer the following questions. What is Pingu's favorite game? What is Pingu's favorite game? Yes, Pingu's favorite game is to pretend. Pingu's favorite game was to pretend. Pingu's favorite game was to pretend. Next, to whom did the pumpkin patch belong? To whom did the pumpkin patch belong? Yes, the pumpkin patch belonged to Mr. Patel. The pumpkin patch belonged to Mr. Patel. The pumpkin patch belonged to Mr. Patel. I repeat, what is Pingu's favorite game? Pingu's favorite game was to pretend. To whom did the pumpkin patch belong? The pumpkin patch belonged to Mr. Patel. Next, how did Pingu please her parents on Thursday? How did Pingu please her parents on Thursday? Yes, Pingu pleased her parents by practicing very hard playing the piano perfectly. On Thursday, Pingu pleased her parents by practicing very hard playing the piano perfectly. Next one, who is Pingu's best friend? Who is Pingu's best friend? Yes, Pingu's best friend is Patty. Pingu's best friend is Patty. I repeat, how did Pingu please her parents on Thursday? On Thursday, Pingu pleased her parents by practicing very hard playing the piano perfectly. Who is Pingu's best friend? Pingu's best friend is Patty. Next one, what did Pingu and Patty do together? Yes, they together solved a puzzle. Pingu and Patty together completed a puzzle. Pingu and Patty together completed a puzzle. What did Pingu and Patty do together? Pingu and Patty together completed a puzzle. So children, with this we come to the end of today's revision class. I hope this lesson is also thorough and there is no doubt in this lesson. Okay, so in the next class we will start with the revision of lesson number 11, which again is a poem, Friends. So see you in the next class. Take care. Bye. Sai Ram.